What does Pa do?
Take Toby.
Why?
Because
Because he's... You heard the camera go on. Why does Pa take Tubbies?
he not.
Because he's stinky.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, he is. What are you eating? Uh-oh.
He's sick.
What are you eating?
Milk.
Huh? Are you eating cookies and Jell-O?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's a lot of food.
Yeah, milk.
It's good though.
Ah, the big one. You pocket for Toby. Yeah, stinky.
Oh, that's why he took a tub, because he's stinky. P.U.
Yucky. Stinky.
Stinky. Look at you. You can't figure... Uh-oh, don't worry. We'll clean it up. You can't figure out what to eat. Are you going to eat the cookie or the Jell-O? The dancing Jell-O? Do.
Yay.
Yay. You have
I take a Toby. Yeah. Stinky.
You need a tubby. You have cookie all over your face.
Yeah, I do have it.
Yeah, you do.
Ow, my hand.
We'll clean you up. Don't worry. You just enjoy your food. All good. You wiping your hand off on my hand? Okay, that's fine. We'll clean both of us up when we're done. Finish your Jell-O, and then we'll go watch TV. Okay?
Yeah, I'm just restaurant.
Huh?
Restaurant.
Okay. So,
Pa take Toby. Stinky.
when did you see Pa take a tubby?
I watch him.
You did?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
We watch Mickey Mouse. There's a body. It's me.
It's
Mickey
me.
Mouse. Say, I have my couple. Wow. Oh, I almost got my couple and say my letter. Misa, Musa, Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Dun. Mousy K-E-Y. I'm O-U-S-E. Dun. S-M-E.
That's right, babe.
Gerald.
Can you say hi to Nana and Pa?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say I miss you.
I miss you.
Who do you miss? When
Pa.
Yeah, when I came over today, who did you ask about?
Nana.
That's right. You said, where are they? Are they at home?
Yeah.
We're going to see them real soon.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Blow kiss.
Bye.
Mwah.